Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you are doing good. So today's video is all about doing some planters with some waste materials. Okay, now so let's get started. For this I have taken a cardboard roll and some wooden sticks. First I broke them into pieces, made it level, and now I have painted them with multicolors, dried them, and now let's start pasting one by one. So for base I have given a cardboard here. Now for this I tried using Fevicol, but it was not strong enough, so then I started using Fevibond, and this was strong enough to hold these sticks. So one by one I started pasting like this. And now when it is done, what I did, one side it was completed and the other side I just thought let me keep all the sticks as raw only, and I pasted one side color sticks and one side I pasted fully this kind of without coloring. So just to add a little bit shine, I brushed it with brown color. So this is how it looks. So I had one tag, so I thought why not I tie it to this planter, it will look cute. So this is the final look guys. Tell me how it is. If you like, then please comment down below. So moving on to our next planter. For this I have taken a waste container. This is actually a wall putty container. So let's revamp this. First I painted this with gesso. Then with blue acrylic paint I gave another coat. And I randomly drew some image guys. I was not having any idea. I just randomly draw two owls and I started painting this. Guys, if you're liking my videos, then please comment down below guys. My channel is definitely new, but I will start making more of such videos for you guys. Until unless I am not knowing what you guys wanted, I don't know what to make, but I'll still keep making videos for you, and your comments are more important to me, so that I'll get an idea to next what I have to do. So if you have any suggestions like what kind of videos you want to see in future, then please write down in the comment section. I'll be glad to make. So this is how guys this is completed, and this is the final look of this planter. I hope you will like it. So moving on to our third planter. This was a powder box. So first I painted this with gesso as I have shown. So I cut this box in between like this so that we can put plants here. So same size of corks I had, some medicine caps. I took them and made two holes like this, and even on the box also you have to make two holes so that you can insert these caps and make wheels. So this wire is flower making wire, so I had that, so I used this only. So this is how guys you have to do. Just watch how I'm doing, and then you have to insert it like this, and from inside you have to bend it and fix it accordingly. See here, you have to do it like this. Seal this wire from inside just like this. So now it's done guys. All the four wheels I have fixed it like this only. Now let's start painting. Take any color of your choice, whichever you like. Here I have chosen cream and this magenta color. So this is how guys, just watch and you can make it just like this. So once done with the coloring, so do this detailing part and all that. So guys, as I said, if you like my videos, then please do consider subscribing. If you are new to my channel and you like some craft videos like this, then you should definitely subscribe guys. You will find some amazing content on my channel. Now this completes the third planter also. So let's see the final look, how it looks. So we'll put some plants in this and see. Here you can see this cutie teddy bear. He's always with me in the videos, and this was also made by me. If you like it. Moving on to planter number 4. For this I have taken a cool drink can, cut it into half. So basically we have to make the height a little bit shorter, so I have cut this. fix it inside, and with the help of paper tape, so just to cover the edges we have to make it like this. And I'm painting it with gesso, one coat of gesso. Then I gave a acrylic coat like cream color, painted with some roses, simply a random roses. I just want to give this a like vintage kind of a look. So now this completes. So this is how, guys, you can draw any design of your choice. I simply drew like this, and then with the help of a brush take some black paint and just sprinkle like this. Actually this is a kind of a distressed look, something like a rusted look, old and vintage look. So this completes this planter also. So I had to fix some handle also. So I took some molded clay and pasted two handles like this, and then I colored it with black color, and I completed the look of this planter. So if anybody is into crafting and if you like this kind of videos, then you should definitely share this kind of stuff to them. It's going to be useful. So let's see the final look. This is how it looks. So moving on to planter number 5. This I already painted it on a Milkmaid can. Tell me how did you like this also. So thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video.